Hi, I'm Hannah Weihan Tang, and this is my DSARI assignment for Home Energy Audit BBE2201 Renewable Energy and the Environment. I exactly measure the energy use of the different appliances and also attacked energy usage throughout the day for a week, including training my roommates to do so to complete the weekly log. So here we started. And this is my background of my energy audit. I'm living in 44 North apartment. It's apartment in Prospect Park Station, and there are 4 persons, 4 beds, and 2 bathrooms. Of course, me and my roommates. And firstly, the energy background. Through EIA expect that the share of the U.S. total utilities geared electricity generation from natural gas fired power plants will raise from 34% in 2018 to 37% in 2019 and 2020. EIA forecasts that the share of the U.S. and continue the energy background. According to the EIA, U.S. electric power electric generation from renewables other than hydropower, principally wind and solar, to grow from 414 billion kilowatt hours in 2019 to 471 billion kilowatt hours in 2020. And this chart is of the U.S. electric summary. There are 4 years from 2017 to 2020. Three selectors: residential selector, commercial selector, and industrial selector. And firstly, I will introduce how I measure the process of the experiment. To measure whites used when on, plugged white meter into wall outlets, plug cord into meter, and took 5 white reading and took average. And to measure white used when off, plug white meter into wall outlet, plug cord into meter, made sure items were turned off, and took 5 watt reading and took average. And here are my appliances. And I have 7 appliances. They are kettle, cell phone charger, dust cleaner, lamp, TV, laptop charger, and the last one is air freshener. And this chat is my recording usage. This is the hour device use log. How many hour per day use the items is which I measured, and I wrote down the numbers from Monday to Sundays. And then added these numbers to measure the average hours be used. For example, the lamp. Monday is 3.5, Tuesday 5, Wednesday 5, Thursday 4, Friday 3, Saturday 3.5, and Sunday is 4. And added these 7 numbers to measure the average number is 3. And here is my energy audit table. I measure the white when on, when off, and the hour per day when on, when off. For example, the lamp in the living room is 34 white when on, and off is 0, and hour per day is 8 when on, and off is 17. And the last one part is summary of what I learned. I think that I cannot measure the largest energy user in my apartment, like the washer, the air conditioner, and others. I mean, throughout all of the environment, what I did. And then, according to my measurement, I think that the bulbs have lower wattage and the air conditioner has larger wattage. And according to my measurement, I find that my experiment, the biggest energy user is TV. And the average energy used per month is 401 kilowatt hours, and the total average energy used per month is 15 kilowatt hours. And the last part is references. And I have used 3 references throughout the entire experiment. So thank you for your listening.